Guys, to fix this error, that's what you need to do here. First, you need to go to app search and look for Valorant. Okay, right click on it, open file location, right click again, go to properties. Then you need to go to compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 8, and then make sure to run this program as admin, apply OK. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to go to search settings, and then if there is an update on your Windows, make sure you update your Windows operating system. Then you need to go to on search and press Windows Anaki or simply write run. And then you need to write Vin, V-A-E-R, WinVer, right? And then you should see your Windows version. So make sure your Windows version is not older than 20H1 or the version 2004. And open the link in the comments or in the comment section. Then you just need to press update now, okay, and download Windows Update. Then what you need to do here is to run it, right, and then basically complete the thing here. I have Windows 11, so it's not working for me, but for you, it should work, right? Then the next step after you restart your computer, you need to open up CMD or command prompt, right click, run as admin. And you need to put this command here. BC edit, set hypervisor launch type off, right? I will leave this command in the description below as well. Then what you need to do here is to go to Windows Security, and wait for a couple of seconds here until it loads up. Then what you need to do here is to go to a device security, and then make sure to go to core isolation here and make sure memory integrity is off. Restart your computer, and after that you should not be getting any errors. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like.